club's physical properties such as banner, lectern and other meeting materials. You'll also keep the club equipments in working order. You'll ensure that adequate club supplies are available. You'll set up the room before the meeting begins. Make all relevant educational and PR materials are displayed. Attend to special equipment, to any special equipment that's needed. Greet guests. Help the president to make sure the meeting begins on time. The Sergeant at Arms also has a role to play during business meetings, speech contests and other special club events. For example, the Sergeant at Arms escorts a potential new member outside the club's meeting place while the members vote on admitting them to the club and guards the door while contestants are speaking during a speech contest to ensure that the speaker is not interrupted by latecomers. Toastmaster Achu and Toastmaster Akash, you are now installed as the Sergeant at Arms and Associate Sergeant at Arms of Sunshine Toastmasters Club. Will you perform these duties as Sergeant at Arms and Associate Sergeant at Arms to the best of your ability?
Yes.
The next officer, and you will say, yes, I will. When I come. Now, we have the treasurer, Toastmaster Apu, your club's chief accountant. You manage the club's bank account, writing checks as approved by the executive committee and depositing dues, payments to and other club revenues. You are also in charge of submitting members' dues to world headquarters, filing necessary tax documents and keeping timely, accurate, up-to-date financial records for the club. You are also in charge to submit members' dues to world headquarters, keep financial records and prepare club budget. Announce when it's time for members to pay their dues. Explain the due structures to members. Collect dues. Work with secretary to ensure that the club submits dues on time to Toastmasters International headquarters. Though the treasurer's role and duties are usually not the most demanding of all the club leadership positions, the consequences to members can be serious when they are not completed accurately and in time. Treasurer Toastmaster Apu, will you perform these duties as treasurer of Sunshine Toastmasters Club to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Now I am installing the secretary, Toastmaster Srinivas. You are the club's primary record note taker and record keeper. You manage the club files and handle club's correspondence. You will also take the minutes at each club's meeting and executive committee meeting. You are also in charge of updating and distributing a roster of the current paid members and keeping the club officers list at world headquarters. Occasionally assist the Vice President Education as well. The role specifics will which will call for you to carry out are maintain accurate membership record roster, work with treasurer to ensure that new member applications and dues get to Toastmasters International World Headquarters as soon as possible, submit the new club officers list to Toastmaster International on time, work with the treasurer to submit your club semi-annual report and dues to Toastmaster International on time. Provide the club with minutes of each meeting. Toastmaster Srinivas, you are now being installed as the Secretary of Sunshine Toastmasters Club. Will you perform these duties as Secretary of Sunshine Toastmasters Club to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Now, I am installing the Vice President, Public Relations, Toastmaster Prem. You are the club's link to the outside world. The person in charge of notifying the public about the club's existence. You are the webmaster, social media specialist, and brand manager for the club. It's your job to notify the media whenever your club does something newsworthy. As Vice President Public Relations, you will find yourself writing news releases, creating and distributing flyers, and maintaining club's presence at various key places on the web. Your roles in specific will call for you to attract visitors to the club through free publicity, use a variety of means to promote the club and its member in as many mediums as possible, such as digital, print, social media, and newspaper. Enlist your fellow club members in PR activities, providing them with promotional materials and ideas for inviting guests. Regularly recognize member achievements with methods such as announcements, newsletters, emails, and articles you submit to the district bulletin. Toastmaster Prem, will you perform these duties as Vice President Public Relations of Sunshine Toastmasters to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Now, the Vice President membership is being installed, and the Vice President membership will be Toastmaster Priyadarshi Kibali. You are club's #1 recruiter, and you manage the process of bringing in guests and transforming those guests into members. By initiating contacts with guests, make them feel welcome and providing them with information they need to join. You help maintain a constant influx of new members influx of new people into the club. You are attentively monitoring membership levels and strategize with rest of the executive committee about how to overcome membership challenges whenever they occur. The role in specific you will have to carry out and will call for is lead the club membership building efforts, help members with any requirement during their journey, listen to their grudges, and provide emotional support to them. While the VPPR motivates people to visit your club, you motivate the current members to invite guests. Promptly give new members applications and dues to the secretary and treasurer. Personally greet guests and provide them with guest packets and including a membership application. Make sure each guest hears about the benefits of Toastmasters and gets a personal invitation to become a member. Toastmaster Priyadarshi Kibali, will you perform these duties as Vice President membership of Sunshine Toastmasters to the best of your ability?
Yes, always.
At one point I thought that you'd throw the gavel. Wow. Vice President Education, I'm installing Vice President Education, And the Vice President Education is Toastmaster Mrinalini Prasanna. And the Associate Vice President Education is Toastmaster Prashant Sharma. Toastmaster Mrinalini and Toastmaster Prashant Sharma. As Vice President Education and Vice President Education Associate, you are the Sunshine Toastmasters Club Chief Schedulers and the primary expert on educational award, speech contest and the mentor program. You are an important source of Toastmasters knowledge of club members, and it is your job to become familiar with the inner working of the Toastmasters educational program. The role in specific call for you to gain commitments from members to set educational goals for themselves, assure the club members are aware of the schedule of the meeting roles, plan meetings that will assist members in meeting their individual goals, work with club members to keep the meeting fun and well run, and work with your club members to ensure that they submit their application for educational awards properly, provide for educational topics at club meetings such as those from Successful Club Series and Leadership Excellence Series, represent your club at the area and district council meetings as the second highest ranking officer. As Vice President Education of Toastmasters Club, you are now requested to see whether you will perform, and I ask you, will you perform these duties as Vice President Education of Sunshine Toastmasters Club to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Nothing is more better than the background of music as the president is installed. So we have got the music along with that. So here, I am now hereby installing, sorry. I am now hereby installing the president, Toastmaster Vijayalakshmi Bahira. Toastmaster Vijayalakshmi Bahira, having been elected the president of Sunshine Toastmasters Club, you are its chief executive officer and you are expected to preside at all club meetings and at regular and special meetings of your executive committee. It's your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their educational goals. It's your challenge to see your club helps the area, division, district and Toastmasters International to meet their goals. Please accept the gavel as a symbol of power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. You are a member of your team as well as a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It's an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts and actions of all members with a common goal of achievement, sharing and mutual support. Work with your team members to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club which everyone is proud of. The role of this specific for you to carry out will be preside at all club meetings and the executive committee meeting, see that this club adds new members and meets the needs of the current membership to achieve their communication and leadership goals, establish a club climate that is supportive, stimulating and rewarding to its members, realize that among the resources available to your commitment is towards fellow club members, officer teams, area governor, division governor, district executive officers and officers of Toastmasters International Headquarters. Toastmaster Vijayalakshmi Bahira, will you as president of Sunshine Toastmasters Club accept this challenge and perform your duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
It is now my pleasure to declare these Toastmasters installed into the offices of Sunshine Toastmasters Club for the term July 2012 to December 2012, to which they have been elected. So happy. The audience followed it, was Members of Sunshine Toastmasters Club and Toastmasters International, please stand. The growth and development. Okay, I got one more person to call, and he is the, I forgot, also an officer, and you have to take his support and take his guidance every now and then, because he is the person who has just passed out and given the baton to you, and he is immediate past president, Mr. Divakar Reddy. The growth and development of Toastmasters Club program in the Sunshine Toastmasters Club depends largely upon the actions of this group. On the honor as men and women of Toastmasters, do you pledge to individually and collectively stand by this club, live with it, and work with it throughout the coming year?
Yes.
Please sit up. May I request, except for the president, to just